Slow progress is better than no progress. Stay positive and don't give up. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the online class. As we have completed chapter number 3, Machines, let us begin a new chapter, chapter number 4, Refraction of Light at Plane Surfaces. This is one of the toughest chapters in physics, and usually 15 to 20 marks questions may come for board examinations. So please watch the entire class properly, leave all other activities behind and concentrate in your studies. We have already studied in class 9 about reflection of light. A return of light in the same medium after striking a polished surface is called reflection of light. We have studied about the laws of reflection also. There are two laws of reflection. Number 1, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Number 2, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie on the same plane. And we know speed of light is different in different medium. Light travels in air or vacuum with its maximum speed, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Here medium is air or vacuum. Speed of light in water is lesser than that in air, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Here medium is water. And speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Here medium is glass. Now, what do you mean by medium? Medium is the substance through which light travels. Please note, this term is very important. Always we will be using this term in all the 3 chapters of light. If you still don't understand what a medium is, I will give you an example. You want to go from Mumbai to Bangalore. How can you go? Maybe by aeroplane, or traveling in a train, or by car, or by a bike, etc. So when you want to travel from one place to other, you depend on certain objects. Those are all a medium for you to travel. Similarly, for the light to travel from one place to another, the material it uses like air, glass, water, etc. are called as medium. Now, based on the nature of medium, we can classify medium into 2. Number 1, rarer and number 2, denser. Now, what is rarer and what is denser? We can't define it but need to compare. Okay, I will explain. From the previous example I have given, let us take 2 modes of transport. One, we will take aeroplane and other as train. Which is faster? Obviously, aeroplane is faster than the train. So, aeroplane is rarer and train is denser. But if we compare train and car, train is faster and car is slower. So, train is rarer and car is denser. You can see earlier train was denser, but now train is rarer. So, denser and rarer are interdependent. We can't by heart one medium as rarer and other as denser. Similarly, if we compare air and water, remember speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second and speed of light in water is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So the medium in which light travels faster is called as rarer and the medium in which speed of light is lesser is called as denser. Here in the above example, air is rarer and water is denser. But if we compare water and glass, water is rarer and glass is denser. I hope all have understood these three terms now. Number 1 medium, number 2 rarer medium, and number 3 denser medium. If you did not understand, watch this part again because we will be using these terms for our remaining classes. Okay, fine. Now let us remember some of the important properties of light. Number 1, light can travel in vacuum. Number 2, light travels in straight line. Let us take the second point, light travels in straight line. Is it always true? Yes, it is. Okay, listen. If light travels from one transparent medium to another, then it changes its path. That means it bends. Oh my God, light does not travel straight. Yes, it travels straight, but the medium must be same while it travels. If medium changes, light bends. So, when the light travels from one optically transparent medium to another medium, it bends. This bending or changing the path of light is called as refraction of light. Please don't confuse with the terms refraction and reflection. Reflection is coming back to same medium after striking, and refraction is bending of light when it enters in some other medium. Please note, always during the process of refraction, a part of light will be reflected back. Maybe very few, just 1% or 2% of entire light. Please keep this in mind. This bending of light is possible in three ways. Number 1, when light travels from rarer to denser medium. Number 2, when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. And number 3, when light is passing through normal. Let us discuss these 3 points. Number 1, when light travels from rarer to denser. We know for refraction to take place, we need two medium. Let us take one medium as air, which is rarer, and another medium as water, which is denser. We know in air, light travels with a speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and when it enters in water, speed changes to 2.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. That means speed decreases. First, let us draw an incident ray which is coming through air. Now at the point of incidence, that means point where incident ray strikes at the separation of medium. Draw a normal. Normal is perpendicular with the separation of medium, or that which makes an angle of 90 degree. We can mark it as N. Now let us extend the incident ray forward with dotted lines. We know that this is not the real path because when light travels from one medium to another, the path changes. But where does the path change? Please learn by heart RDT. When light travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal and speed of light decreases. Very important, I repeat, when light travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal and the speed of light decreases. So now let us draw a line towards normal of any angle. This ray is called as refracted ray. Change the path. Please note, do not forget to draw arrow marks to show the direction of light. Now, point number 2. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Let us take two medium, one denser and other rarer. Let us take water and air. First, draw an incident ray of any angle. Secondly, draw the normal and mark it as capital letter N. Third, extend the incident ray forward with the dotted lines. Now where to draw refracted ray? Please learn D, R, A. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal and speed of light increases. Once again, when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal and speed of light increases. So let us draw a line away from the normal. It is called as refracted ray. Please do not forget to draw arrow marks to show the direction of light. Now the third term, when light passes through normal. Very simple yet very important term. Let us take any two medium, one denser and other rarer, or one rarer and other denser. Whatever be the medium, it's fine. Draw a normal and overlapping the normal, draw an incident ray. In this case, where does the light go? It goes straight without any bend. Yes, when light passes through normal, it follows straight line path. Very important, when does light does not change its path? When it travels from one medium to another. Obviously, when incident ray is coinciding with the normal. Now let us take and compare all the three types. Number one, when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. That is, speed of light decreases. Number two, when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from normal and the speed of light increases. And number three, when light is passing through normal, there is no change in the path. Okay, fine. Now here in the above cases, what is angle of incidence? Obviously angle between incident ray and the normal. And in the third case, angle of incident is equal to 0 because there is no angle between incident ray and normal. What is the angle of refraction? Obviously angle between refracted ray and the normal. And in the third case, angle of refraction is 0 because refracted ray and normal coincide. Very important question. Draw a ray diagram when light travels from one medium to another without change in path. What is the angle of incidence and angle of refraction? We know we have to draw the third diagram, and angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction is equal to 0 degree. Now let us also discuss an important diagrammatic question. The diagram is given as you can see now. And the question is, find angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Very easy, right? But I have seen many students making mistake in this type of question. Here angle of incidence is not 60 degree, but angle of incidence is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Because angle of incidence is the angle between normal and incident ray. And we know angle between normal and separation of medium is equal to 90 degree. So angle of incidence is equal to 90 minus 60, which is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 20 degree. Now the final part, what is the reason of the bending of light? The reason is nothing but the change in speed of light. We know when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, speed of light decreases. So as it slows down, it comes towards the normal. And when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, speed of light increases and it goes away from the normal. And that is the end of today's class. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. Thank you. Have a great day. May God bless you all.